guys, welcome to my video. For today's topic, we're going to talk about on how to rig a pilot ladder. First things first is we need to wear PPE attire and PPE equipments to ensure a pilot ladder should be capable of covering the whole length of the point access to the water level. The height from the water level is informed to the bridge by the port the control of the pilot himself, depending on the height of the pilot vessel. Next is the top portion or head of the pilot ladders should be secured as the strongest point of the vessel. The pilot ladder should be secured and positioned and so that it is clearly of any discharges from the ship, with parallel body length of the ship as far as practicable within the halfway lane or midship of the ship. Next is all steps of the pilot ladder should rest firmly against the ship's side. In certain ships, where constructional features such as fenders or rubbing bud prevent the implementation of above safety features, special arrangements are to be made for safe embarking and disembarkation. Next is two-man ropes to be between 28mm and 32mm diameter and made of manila rope or other material which gives firm grip for climbing the ladder should be rigged along the side of pilot ladder if requested. And also, during the night, the whole length of the pilot ladder or point access and egress should be well illuminated. A laugh buoy with self-igniting light and a heavy line should be kept ready. Handhold stanchions and bulwark ladder are to be used if required. And also, if the point of access from sea level is more than 9 meters, a combination of ladder should be used. A combination ladder is a conjunction of pilot ladder and accommodation ladder. This is a common arrangement found on a vessel with high freeboard. The accommodation ladder is rigged in such a way that it leads aft of the vessel and has a slope angle of not more than 55 degrees. Next is actions to be taken by officer of the watch before using the pilot ladder. First, the officer must collect the necessary information like VHF channel used by the pilot, position of pilot ground and other services. This information can be obtained from nautical publication NP286 LRS, add military list of radio signals for the particular port or from guide port entry. Vessel traffic services or VTS of the particular area also provides such information. Second is maintain watch on VHF channel, which is used by the pilot. This is mostly dedicated channel, different from the channels used by port control and vessel traffic scheme or VTS. Third is calculate the ETA, estimated time of arrival, to the point boarding ground, observing prevailing weather condition and sea state, and the same has to be reported to the master. Next, the officer must contact the pilot on the VFH channel and give information such as ETA to the pilot ground, draught and freeboard of the vessel and length of the vessel, type of propeller, vessel current speed over ground and course mode, good, and etc. Next is the officer must ask and receive information such as berthing prospectus and side pilot ladder to be rigged, the height of pilot ladder from water level, speed and course to be maintained, and report all the data received to the master. And lastly, the officer must monitor the pilot vessel, maintain proper communication between the pilot vessel and own ship. The officer is responsible should be present near the point of access to receive the pilot on board or when he disembarks. The pilot on board and disembarkation time should be noted and recorded. The next topic is maintenance of the pilot ladder. First thing to do in maintaining the pilot ladder is pilot ladders are to be regularly inspected for wear and tear of side ropes, missing wedges, and damage on the steps. The steps should never be painted and should be kept clean. free from oil and grease. Second is all steps should be equally spaced between the side ropes, and distance between two steps should be uniform. And the third one is steps should be always horizontal. Any false steps found should be replaced immediately. Next is the side ropes are made of Manila rope. They should be continuous and free from ties and joints. Below the first step of the pilot ladder, the shackle are used to be secure. The pilot ladder should have equal strength and durability, same as that of side ropes use. Once the pilotage operation is over, the pilot ladder should be secured instead of left hanging on the ship side. The pilot ladder should be stowed in a dry and well-ventilated space, clear of the deck and fitted with cover to prevent the ladder from sunlight, chemical, and paint spills. Lastly, it is to note that pilot ladders are solely for use for purpose of embarkation and disembarkation of the personnel. It should never be used for any purpose like draught reading or any other maintenance work. Pilot ladders should be well maintained and properly stowed, which ensures safe, convenient, unobstructed passage while pilot transfer. That's all for my video. Thank you for watching.